can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at general cryptocurrency markets. Over the last 1 week, altcoins have pulled back. We saw a huge bounce on Friday. We saw altcoins pumping, Ethereum leading the charge. But on Monday morning, most of those gains have evaporated. Ethereum, the king of altcoins in the cryptocurrency market, currently trades around $4,424. Ethereum has gotten to as high as $4,955 in this market cycle. It's been a very sweet journey for Ethereum over the last few days. We've seen Ethereum ramping up to higher prices from where it was trading in April around the $1,300 level. Ethereum has rallied to as high as $4,900, pumping by around 248%. Bitcoin, the king of the market, currently trades around $110,000. Bitcoin has gotten to as high as $124,000. We look at altcoins season index. We look at liquidations in the cryptocurrency market. The bulls are getting beaten. Look at sentiment in the market. Also look at news stories going around the market. We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Let's start with the meme coin market. Dogecoin is still the king of meme coins in the cryptocurrency market. This cycle, we have seen meme coins had a wonderful time. We have seen the meme coin market total cap explode at some point in time, going above the $100 billion level. It's been a wild ride this cycle. Somebody says it's been a very slow cycle, but in December of 2024, we saw total meme coin market cap getting to as high as $137 billion. Right now, total meme coin market is valued at $64 billion. I will not be shocked in the coming days and coming weeks. We see all these meme coins taking off. We had a pump on Friday where Ethereum was pumping. It got to as high as $4,955. Bitcoin, the king of the market, tried to rally up. But guys, 1 week we're up, the next week we're down. That's how volatile the market is. From all-time highs, we've seen Ethereum pull back by more than 13%. Over the next few days, I'll not be shocked to say Ethereum rally above $5,000. That's the next big level for Ethereum to clear above. Ethereum is clearly outperforming Bitcoin right now. If you take a look at Ethereum valuation against Bitcoin, since April 21st, Ethereum has been pumping aggressively against Bitcoin. And even though Bitcoin has been having a nice time, Ethereum has been doing way better. It was trading at the 0.017 ratio place against Bitcoin in April 22nd. And so it's getting to a new yearly high, the highest price we have seen Ethereum trade against Bitcoin for a very long time, to as high as 0.043. That's a 143% increase against Bitcoin in 124 days. The highest price Ethereum has been valued against Bitcoin since December of 2024. Now, if you look at Bitcoin, the king of the cryptocurrency markets, yes, over the last 100 plus days, Bitcoin has been having a nice time rallying. We've been hearing about treasury companies. Mikey Silo has been buying. But the reality is Bitcoin has gone from $74,000, first getting to an all-time high of $122,000 on the 14th of July, 2025, which was a 64% move to the upside. And 1 month later, we saw Bitcoin setting an all-time high again, this time on the 14th of August 2025, which meant Bitcoin was up 66% in the last 129 days. But since when Bitcoin set the all-time highs, Bitcoin has also pulled back. We've seen Bitcoin go from $124,000, getting to as low as $108,000. Bitcoin also has lost 12% of its value from its all-time highs. Over the next few days and next few weeks, I will expect to see Bitcoin having a retracement, maybe to as high as $120,000. Maybe we attempt to set new all-time highs. But from Bitcoin dominance, all indication points to the altcoin market having a nice time. Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin, which Ethereum is the king of altcoins in the cryptocurrency market. Ethereum is leading the charge in the altcoin market. And if Bitcoin dominance is dumping, if Bitcoin dominance continues dumping, we expect new capital entering the cryptocurrency market to go straight to the altcoin market. Now, if you look at altcoin season index on the seasonal time frame, the altcoin season index tells us when altcoins are doing better than Bitcoin. It tells us when Bitcoin is doing way better than altcoins. And if 70% of the top 50 coins do better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period, it's an altcoin season. And right now, Bitcoin is just at 0.4% over the last 90 days. Majority of altcoins are doing well. No majority of altcoins is split in between. We have like 52% of altcoins doing better than Bitcoin. 48% are not doing as good as Bitcoin. I believe when this 48% of these altcoins start doing better than Bitcoin, we'll officially be in an altcoin season. The last time we saw an altcoin season was in December of 2024. Over the next few days and the next few weeks, which might mean in the late stages of August or the early stages of September, we might see an altcoin season. Remember, guys, you're here to play a game. The game is to buy low and the game is to sell high. You want to buy when there's fear in the market, when the candles are red, when it looks like it's going to zero. You want to sell when there's greed. When greed returns back to the market participants start behaving irrational. Now, on Friday, we saw a huge pump. That's when Ethereum pumped to new all-time highs. And right now, we are seeing a huge dump. We started from that Friday pump. It's very crazy. Things can swing quickly in the cryptocurrency market. There was fear in the market on Thursday. There was fear in the market on Wednesday. On Friday, after the Fed meeting, boom, everybody was bullish. Or market participants went hyper bullish. Ethereum went to all-time highs. And then we had Saturday and Sunday, which the market erased most of those gains. In the last 24 hours, 179,000 traders have been liquidated, with the total liquidation coming around $808 million, with the largest liquidation order happening on HTX. One trader lost $39.24 million. The bulls have lost over $696 million, and the bears are down $112 million in the coming days and the coming weeks, guys. I will not be shocked to see a massive short squeeze to the upside. I will not be shocked to see huge liquidations to the upside. Right now, sentiment in the market is wishy-washy. The bulls and the bears can't decide where we're heading next. Sentiment is neutral. And think about it from this perspective, guys. Bitcoin is trading above $110,000. Ethereum is trading above $4,400. XRP is near all-time highs. A lot of BNB is near all-time highs. But sentiment in the market is neutral. Market participants are numb to those prices. Market participants want higher prices. Bitcoin to $200,000, Ethereum to $10,000, XRP to $10. Our traders' price predictions. Maybe some of those price predictions will hit this cycle, but sentiment is telling us the car is going very fast, but market participants expect it to go faster. That's always a red flag. That's always a telltale sign that we're getting to the end of the market cycle. Bitcoin dominance dumping collaborates that an altcoin season index almost flashing there. When an altcoin season is a telltale signs you want to see when the market is entering that final pump where altcoins will go parabolic. Total crypto market cap currently sits at $3.75 trillion. We have seen the total crypto market cap get to as high as $4.17 trillion. That was on the 14th of September 2025. We saw Ethereum rallying to all-time highs, with total crypto market cap getting shut out at the $4 trillion level, guys. Over the next few days, over the next few weeks, as always, I'll be expecting a retracement rally. Maybe the total crypto market cap can get to new all-time highs again, but one thing is sure, the altcoin market is where the action is going to be taking place. The altcoin market is where you expect to see those big gains. If you take a look at total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, about to break into new all-time highs, currently at the $1 trillion level. We're currently battling the 2021 all-time highs, and after that we'll go to the 2024 highs, and maybe, just maybe, we might see the total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum get to as high as $1.5 trillion for the first time in history. Total crypto market cap excluding just Bitcoin has gone to new all-time highs. Hopefully we'll see it also pumping, because Bitcoin dominance dumping, guys, once in few years we see this kind of huge dump for Bitcoin dominance. If you go on a weekly time frame, you see the extent of damage that can be done to Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance could easily dump to as low as 50% of the total crypto market, and Bitcoin might still be trading at $110,000. If we see the total crypto market cap going to as high as $4.4 trillion, Bitcoin staying at $110,000, it means most of those gains will go into the altcoin market. And if you look at news stories in the cryptocurrency market, bullish. Ethereum treasury companies are popping front, left, and center. Kraken met with SEC Crypto Task Force to discuss tokenization. Robinhood and Strategy shares dips as they miss out on S&P. Germany flips Coinbase on App Store after XRP MasterCard launch. UAE reportedly holds $700 million in mined Bitcoin, and Tom Lee is calling Ethereum bottom in the next few hours as BitMine buys 4,871 Ethereum. This is a cycle of treasury companies, but guys, remember, this time it's not different. The crowd is always wrong at the extreme. Crypto liquidations hit $900 million as Bitcoin share jacks in whole gains. Semiconductor company Kraken is raising $200 million to buy Bitcoin. Most of these treasury companies are buying Bitcoin with borrowed money at some point in time. We're going to see this all blow up in our face. But right now, let's enjoy the ride as we go higher. Bitcoin, the king of the market, still trading around $110,000. Is down 6% over the last 30 days. Ethereum, king of altcoins, trading around $4,400, is up 17% over the last 30 days. BNB is also up 6% over the last 30 days. Tron is up 7%. Cardano is up 2%. Chainlink 24%. XRP, notably, is down 8.34% over the last 30 days. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. How high do you see the cryptocurrency market going in the coming days and the coming weeks? Do you believe Bitcoin still has room to run, or do you believe my theory that we're very, very close to the end of a market cycle and all coins are going to be going parabolic in the nearest future? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself, and investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.